Okay.
Alright, so we're on the third week, the third rhythm of our Back to School Line Dancing 101. The premise still applies, even if we're doing foxtrot. We still go back to where we began when I say everything is based on a count. Oops, I don't know why. This is magic. It says by itself. Okay. So, the 8 count is the easiest to dance. That's why I can apply it to country, pop, everything else. When the music changes, it dictates on what kind of, I guess they call it musicality. It depends, and now you analyze what kind of rhythm you're going to use. In foxtrot, my Alexa this morning said define it as a long rhythm dance. Stretch, so you stretch the dance floor. So the dance will include the entire length of the dance floor using the 8 count. Some dances even add another 4 to make it 12. So to me, a basic foxtrot is easier addressed by doing this one. Okay? So in your spreadsheet, I had there basic foxtrot. To me, very simple, would be just the 4 count, and then I replace this with quick, quick, slow. That means I'm not going to see it there. Okay, that could be the hold we call. In rumba, we have the hold and hold. Now in foxtrot, there's only one hold. Okay? Or the other simpler presentation also, it could be 8 is there, but then there is no 4. So that means this is your 4 count and a 3 with a hold. That's the same thing. It depends on where you want to do your holding in terms of the flowing of the dance. So that would be the basic that we will use later. Just to remind you the objective of this class, we will come up with our own training pattern for everybody. So I already have shown you the possible option 1. This is simply changing the direction of the dance, which we will discuss later. Okay? Now, in your spreadsheet that you may not do because it's not for the beginners, but maybe you could, depending on how fast you learn. Following this, I already included there 3 or 4 famous variations that we do in class. That means it's not as simple now to them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 7. Notice if you attended my nightclub 2-step, that's why it's flowing into this program or rhythm. There is a variation there that is used by famous Joe Thompson Sinasky, usually slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Notice that from nightclub 2-step? That is our 1, hold 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Just to define, okay? 4, and. 4, and. That means nightclub count is also being used for foxtrot. I'm just saying, I'm just showing to you that in the other, I guess, field of line dancing, the professional uses the same count, which is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and in our nightclub 2-step is also used. This is nightclub count, okay? Last week. Some of you are not here last week, you were not exposed to that count. But this is the equivalent of nightclub 2-step count, but in this world. Okay, so that means what she's doing, there's a dance that I put there, I think it's, she used this, I put it corresponding, okay? September in the Rain, which as I said, we use it in our social dance. It's slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. That is in September in the Rain. Okay. And I believe it's also on Fortune Foxtrot, also by Joe Thompson. Okay, that will be the 4th line. Fortune Foxtrot is intermediate level. Why is it Fortune Foxtrot? Because she used slow boat in China. That means fortune cookie. Right? She's very creative, right? Okay. So that's why it's also a hard dance. And I'm going to do that today. And then go back to the bottom. When you wish upon a star, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Used by Ira Weisberg. It's like a pop, hip-hop beat of a pop star. Okay, that's what I'm saying. It all depends on how you approach the count. Okay, so we will not gonna do this slow, quick today because it's too advanced for you guys. So we're gonna simply go on a simple, straight 4 count and a whole and a rumba, 4 count, or rumba and a 4 count. To me, that is the easiest combination. Right? When we do the pattern, this is rumba. Remember? There's a box, right? Box on our week 1. Right? We will leave the 4 as an option. Whatever the group decide, we can come up with our own 32 count. Okay? That is the typical right left, a box and a reverse box, and I put our question mark, we'll make our own whatever. So, with that in mind as the introduction, let's go to the nuts and bolts of Tosca.